This video will demonstrate the A minor chord in its root position, the first inversion, the second inversion, and how to play with both hands. Starting with the root position, play the A note, followed by the C note, followed by the E note. When played together, that's the root position of the A minor chord. Moving on to the first inversion, if you start with the C note, followed by the E note, followed by the A note, that's the first inversion of the A minor chord. Moving on to the second inversion of the A minor chord, beginning with the E note, followed by the A note, followed by the C note, creates the second inversion of the A minor chord. If you'd like a more full sounding A minor chord, you can play any two patterns on any two octaves that we've gone over, which would include so you may repeat the root, the first inversion, the second inversion on any of the octaves, and that will create a more full sounding A minor chord. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you next time.